Sanibonani maswahla mahle. Silana esiteke ngihambe ngedvan. Ngihamba na
Tanzil.
Nasamo.
Samu. Oh, Sabu Shabangu and Tanzile. Okay, umsebenzi wethu namuhla utaba is Zanka Jananka Makabunga, that are for ladies by Kale Sotini. And I want you guys to rate them out of 10 pet. Okay, asqale nganang. Yeah, let's do the sweet one first. Asqale nganang umhlungu. Okay, asinqale ngawe. Mhlume. Let me also.
Mnanzi. Yo.
Uh-huh.
Mnanzi.
10.
100.
100. And price wise, about Abu Malin.
150.
250, 150. Say ngane le, say ngane, but I'm close.
300.
I'm close.
500.
No.
350.
I'll tell you. Let's do this one. I send them a tap.
Matap.
Yeah, for sure, no times I am.
Usweet matap. 10.
10 9.
Usweet lo yeah.
What's in?
No, lo sweet.
99 maybe.
10.
It's still a pass. Let's round up. It's still 100, yabo.
Yeah.
Mnanzi.
And you don't go out sing Malay.
400.
350.
You were actually right the first time. They are 300 rand. They're 300 rand. And now we nfuna kwathenga ngawathenga at the Aclery store kaManzini or nisithinze nje online on our social media platforms Kale Swatini on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and we do free deliveries in Stegi and around the Mbabane Manzini corridor.
Yeah, to Pisail.
Sakupisa also. So if you want to, if you want to you just have to contact us online, and we'll from 750.
Mangapi.
But those are roll-ons because we also have roll-ons. Yeah. No, thank you for your time, guys. Thank you for your time.